Okay, so yesterday we talked about the relationship between these three place values, my hundreds, tens, and the ones. And if you remember from yesterday, we said that the tens, there are 10 ones in your tens rod, and there are 10 tens in your hundreds block. So today we're going to expand on this learning, and we're going to go to our hundred thousands. So there's 10 of these in one of these, and there's 10 ones in 110, 10 tens in 100. How many hundreds do you think it takes to equal one of these thousands? If you guessed 10, you're correct. So here are my 10 hundreds that equal my 1,000. And you can see that I stacked them on each other. And now they are the same. There are 10 of these and it makes 1,000. So we're going to continue talking about this. And if you notice, there's a relationship. This to here to one of these, then to a big cube. There's a relationship going on, and there's a pattern going on. One of these is 10 of these is one of these, 10 of these is one of these, 10 of these is one of these. What do you hear repeated over and over again from that pattern? So we're going to work on that in the next couple of slides.